Are you looking for the best laptop for video editing? In this video, we'll break down the top laptops for video editing available, whilst comparing them for price versus performance. Before we get started with our video detailing the best laptops for video editing on the market, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the MacBook Pro 15 with Touch Bar. Promising to deliver more pro in every possible aspect, Apple constantly upgrades its products, trying to make them even more convenient. This one hosts the finest achievements of modern technology, such as 8-core CPU and 5.0 GHz for Turbo Boost. With up to 32 gigs of memory, you will be able to run multiple apps without experiencing any issues. Thanks to the excellent speed read, everything will run smoothly and rapidly, guaranteeing maximal performance and efficiency. As the company says, it all boils down to the run more, wait for less philosophy. Enhanced security and convenience that comes with Hey Siri add more value to this already highly productive gadget. At number 2, we have the Asus ZenBook 15. With an elegant and thin design, the ZenBook 15 from Asus boasts military-grade durability, which allows it to work in less than optimal conditions. The laptop comes with a 15.6-inch FHD display and up to 92% screen-to-body ratio due to the 4-way nanodegree bezel display that is both thin and tough. Furthermore, ZenBook 15 also comes with a numeric keypad and an easy-to-use keyboard and touchpad. But the feature that makes the ZenBook 15 a great device for video editing is the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Max-Q discrete graphics chip with Pascal architecture. It is supported by an Intel Core i7-8565U processor that can go up to 4.1 GHz, 16 gigs of DDR4, and one 512GB PCIe SSD. As a result, you get the graphics power of a desktop unit packed into a slim and lightweight laptop. To make work even easier, the laptop has ErgoLift design supported by a special hinge, which when open, automatically tilts the keyboard to optimize the experience. We should also mention the 15-hour battery life, which allows users to work wherever they are, free of wires. Finally, even though the laptop boasts an ultra-thin design, it still features all the necessary connection ports: SD card reader, USB-C 3.1, 2 USB 3.1 Type-A, HDMI, and audio jack. In short, the ZenBook is the perfect device for projects that require graphics power and portability. At number 3, we have the MSI GS65 Stealth 002. The GS65 Stealth 002 from MSI is marketed as a gaming laptop due to its badass design and NVIDIA RTX 2070 8G Max-Q graphics chip. Also, the 15.6-inch display has a refresh rate of 144 Hz, 7 millisecond response time, and the entire design is powered by an Intel i7-8750H processor, 32 gigs DDR4 running at 2666 MHz on 2 sockets, and one 512GB NVMe SSD. Overall, the laptop looks and feels good, even though it features a square-like design. The touchpad is easy to use due to the silky glass design, and you can even use it in games due to its increased responsiveness and large size. The display features a wide viewing angle and anti-glare, while being supported by a 4-sided thin razor bezel. Finally, the GS65 Stealth 002 also employs a state-of-the-art cooling system with 3 fans, 6 copper heat pipes, and 4 exhausts. You'll also find 3 USB ports, 1 HDMI, 1 RJ45, and jack ports for headphones and microphone. At number 4, we have the Acer Predator Helios 300. The brand and the overall rugged design show that the Predator Helios 300 is designed to kick ass regardless of the project you're running. As you probably imagine, the laptop was created with gaming in mind, which is why it boasts an 8th generation Intel Core i7-8750H 6-core processor that can go up to 4.1 GHz and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 overclockable graphics with 6 gigs of dedicated GDDR5 VRAM. The 15.6-inch FHD LED backlit IPS display is wide and features a 144 Hz refresh rate. Not to mention, the laptop is VR ready, which means you can just plug in a VR headset and you're ready to explore. To complete the experience, the Helios 300 is equipped with Acer True Harmony and Dolby Audio Premium, which delivers an incredible audio journey. The laptop runs Windows 10 Home 64-bit and is supported by 16 gigs DDR4, 2666 MHz DRAM memory, and 256GB PCIe NVMe SSD. Also, there's an empty slot for a 2.5-inch HHD or SSD, if you want some more storage space. Finally, the cooling system is designed with all-metal Aeroblade 3D fans that create 35% more airflow than plastic ones. You'll also find that the laptop has enough ports for any type of project. 1 RJ45, 1 HDMI, 1 USB-C 3.1, 1 USB 3.0, 2 USB 2.0, and 1 headphone jack. At number 5, we have the Microsoft Surface Book 2. The Microsoft Surface Book 2 can be considered one of the best 2-in-1 laptops. Since it's detachable, it can act as both a laptop and a tablet. This makes it handy if you have work in progress and you want to pass it around the table. It has a sharp 13.5-inch 3000 by 2000 resolution display that's pretty impressive for a 2-in-1. The cheapest configuration goes with a 7th generation Intel dual-core i5 3.5 GHz processor, 8 GB of RAM, and Intel HD Graphics 620. Along with 256 GB of storage, it makes for a decent 2-in-1 laptop. You can get it for around $1,300. At number 6, we have the HP ZBook X2. With ZBook X2, HP gave us what they call the world's most powerful detachable PC, which is a 2-in-1 laptop fitted with the graphics power of a PC. Due to the detachable Bluetooth keyboard, the ZBook X2 can go from a laptop to tablet in just seconds, which makes it extremely portable and easy to handle. Furthermore, the laptop can also be used in docked state, which allows users to work on 2 4K displays at once. This is possible due to the HO ZBook dock that supports Thunderbolt 3. ZBook features an anti-glare 14-inch 4K UHD touchscreen that supports 1 billion colors and can be used with a Wacom EMR pen for all sorts of creative projects. The display is powered by an NVIDIA graphics card, a 4.2 GHz quad-core processor, and there are 32 GB of RAM available for all sorts of heavyset software tools such as the Adobe Suite. The laptop tablet packs 128 GB of internal memory, which cannot be expanded, but you can always use the available ports for data transfer. Speaking of ports, the ZBook comes with a series of the most used ones, such as 2 Thunderbolt 3, 1 HDMI 1.4, 1 USB 3.0, and 1 SD card slot. You also get a fingerprint reader for fast logins, and 18 quick keys positioned around the display for easy access. Finally, the device has an advanced cooling system to prevent any overheating issues. And for our final pick at number 7, we have the Lenovo Legion Y740. Designed to deliver the finest experience, the gadget is fitted with numerous convenient options and functions to meet the demands of nowadays consumers. Striving to create a device that will be stylish for work and savage for play, manufacturers crafted the product that promises ultra-vivid imaging, top-quality brightness, while delivering best-performing contrast and vast spectrum of rich colors. The cutting-edge CPU ensures high speed while offering maximum flexibility. That's what makes this device suitable for a variety of tasks such as streaming, playing, and recording. Having ultra-thin bezels and enchanting ambient system lighting, you will enjoy an extremely captivating visual experience. 4 thermal vents ensure better flow of the air, while a dual-channel thermal system with separate CPU and GPU cooling guarantees the device will not overheat even while performing some more demanding activities. So that sums up our top laptops for video editing of 2020. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.